people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. Currently my dog is trying to hide her favorite toy under my blankets, and she cries when she cannot hide it good enough, which means she wants me to throw a blanket over her head so she can hide it better. But I'm currently filming this video, so you bringing it to Mama? Here, let me see. This is Lucy's chicky egg. She recently ate the eyes off and chewed the little beak open. This is actually a Beanie Baby. It's one of those TY Beanie Babies. It's Egbert, but we call it her chicky eggy, her chicky egg, or her little eggy. There's a lot of different names for it. But it is the Egbert one, and I need to order her a new one online. And I know you're not really supposed to give dogs the Beanie Babies, but I only let Lucy play with her Beanie Babies. Let me throw it when I'm washing her, and right now I have complete vision of my room, which means I have complete vision of her. So yeah, it's her favorite toy ever. She got into it on accident one time. Like, she got into my Beanie Babies, and she just has fallen in love with that little Egbert one, so it has become Lucy's chicky eggy. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and get back into what I was saying. So, hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever unboxing of my first ever Ipsy glam box, glam bag. Deluxe glam bag? Ipsy Glam Bag Deluxe. The big Ipsy! That's what I'm doing today. And I'm so excited because this is my first ever month. And also I recently got this clothing rack, so I have a couple of things hanging up behind me. And I normally film against this wall, so that's why it is currently the background. I honestly was just too lazy to move it, so I'm really sorry. I just got home from work and I just want to film these videos really quick so I can edit them and actually post videos this week, because today is Monday and I didn't upload a video because I'm a flippity floop flop. Anyways, I've already opened this box because my mom wanted to see what was inside. So Hot Miss Mama MD has already seen everything that is in this box. But first of all, we're going to open it. There comes a little pamphlet. But basically what this subscription box is, it is a larger version of Ipsy. So in Ipsy you mostly get sample size, and sometimes you do get full size, but it's normally travel size, deluxe size samples kind of thing. It's $10 a month, but this one is $25 a month, and you get all full size products. So you get 5 full size products sent to your door every month, and it is customized to your Ipsy preferences, I believe. I know that the regular Ipsy bag is, but I'm not 100% sure on this one. So yeah, let's go ahead and get on started, because it's already at 3 minutes, so I just keep rambling. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is the thing I'm probably the most excited about. It is this Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. It looks like this. Look at, oh, beautiful. And I think this may have came in a box, but I don't really remember, so it's not with me. I think I may have thrown it away at my mom's. But anyways, my mom and I have already swatched it. But look at how pretty that looks. And these are stunning. These are so pretty. And it comes with this little sheet. And I love to keep these things, especially like the printed, like, I don't like to keep the regular ones, but the printed ones I love to keep and hang up on my wall. But it comes with 4 colors, 3 powders, and 1 cream. So it says Prep Set Sculpt in Flush. Okay, so the cream one is the Prep. Apply Capri as a base to the smooth skin and amplify light reflecting pearl. Set, dab on Santorini from cheek to temple to set and bring out the pop. Sculpt, apply Azores under the cheekbone to add dimension and shape. Flush, sweep Ibiza on the apples of your cheeks for a flush healthy glow. So you're supposed to use all 4 of those at once. You're going to be glowing. I thought you could just pick and choose. I mean, I'm sure you can, but it's in the instructions. It's 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So it's in that order, I guess. I don't know, but I'm really excited to actually use this on my face now. The next item I got is this Pixie Skin Treats Glow Mist with Propolis and Argan Oil. I don't know how to pronounce anything, and Lucy just knocked over my other subscription box. But I thought this was cool because, as you guys can see, there's 2 different types of liquids. There's an oily liquid and then more of a watery liquid. I like to shake it up and then just see all the little bubbles, not that it's focusing on it. But my mom said a girl she watches got this in hers, and she used it, and it made her skin burn. So, like, it made her, not burn, but like feel itchy. So I'm gonna try it and let you know if it makes my skin feel itchy. I haven't tried this yet at all, so this is like a first little impression for you guys. So, okay. Oh, wait. Okay. I like the smell of it. It reminds me of something I've smelled before. I mean, probably because the aloe, it kind of does smell like aloe. But it doesn't smell bad. So I'll let you guys know the reaction to that later on in this video. For now, I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next product. So this next product that I got is the Florence Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. It's lightweight, oil-free, water cream, primes skin for makeup. It says it's for oily combination, normal and even sensitive skin. So this is like for everyone, which is really cool. Which means like literally anyone can use it. Ooh, benefits. Green tea is a powerful antioxidant that moisturizes skin and protects from signs of aging. Wonderful. We all love that. White tea soothes sensitive skin. Vitamin E prevents premature aging and improves skin texture. Okay. French marine plants help retain moisture. Amazing. And I did actually put some of this on my hand before, and I rubbed it in, and this really smoothed out any fine lines that I have on my hand. Like, you know, everyone has those little hand lines. Smoothed those out, so I'm super duper excited about this. I didn't realize it did like so much for your skin, so that is super cool. I'm excited to go ahead and leave this in my bathroom, and so I can use it in the morning before I do my makeup to moisturize my face. So the next item I got, I'm not super stoked about this, but I don't really mind it. I once said in one of a video I did with my mom that I was going to press a loose pigment that I got in my Ipsy, and I still haven't done that. I actually have like a whole drawer of loose pigments that Hi, sorry, my boyfriend called me. As I was saying, I said I was going to press some loose pigments. I never did, but it is really easy to press loose pigments, so I can totally do a video on it if you guys would like me to. You want to give me the toy, or you just want to stand up on my leg? Lucy's literally down here just like paws up on my leg, just standing, holding her toy, like just looking at me. You're so cute. Oh, you're going down? Okay, but anyways, these are loose pigments. These are probably my least favorite item that I got in my box, but I still, just because I don't typically use loose pigments, but these are the Naked Cosmetics little loose pigments. Sorry, I cannot think for a second, but it comes with 4. So in here came the shade Naturally Nude, and Naturally Nude, I don't know if you guys can really see that. It's kind of like a light champagne-y gold maybe. Then we got Sierra Nevada, and let's see, what is that? That's more of like a goldy bronze. That's what it looks like to me. Maybe that's more like a vanilla color. Then we have this dark shimmery brown that is called Sierra Nevada. Wait, whoa, why is there 2 okay. This is wrong. Okay. Sorry. The Naturally Nudes one is in number 1. The first Sierra Nevada that I just said is SN number 02. And then the second Sierra Nevada one is SN-05. And then the last one is another Sierra Nevada one, but it is SN number 4. And this one is kind of like a silvery taupe kind of color. Maybe it's gray. I can't really tell right now because my ring light is so bright, but I honestly didn't really look at these too much before. And I don't even know if I'm going to end up keeping these or pressing them. So I'm just going to put them straight back in the box. I'm not going to open them. I haven't opened them yet. So I might put those in a box to give away. And then finally, the last item, the thing that I'm most excited to try out, I think, along with the highlighter palette, and I think it's a tie. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Extension Mascara. And I have only heard good things about this, and then I looked up the brand because cosmetics is spelled like cause, like for a cause. And this brand seems awesome. This is in the shade Brian, which is a rich black color. Let me open this. I struggle so much to do everything. And then, let's see. Oh, this is like a heavy tube. This is, oh my gosh. It is super duper cute. Oh, I love it. I'm so excited to try this because recently I've just been obsessed with just doing like concealer, powder, eyelashes, and today I have a little bit of eyebrows and stuff, and then primer obviously. But like I've been into the super easy, go fast, get out of the house kind of thing. So that if it is actually as amazing as it sounds, then that'll be perfect. So yeah, that is all for my first ever Ipsy Glam Bag Deluxe Glam Bag. I don't really know, but I'm so super excited for it. I really like all of the products I have in it, and as for that face mist, my face doesn't really feel itchy at all. I did spray quite a bit, so I do feel a little sticky. Like, I kind of feel like I feel a little sticky. Not really though. I don't know. Like a little tacky, not sticky. Tacky would probably be the better word. But yeah, I'm really excited about everything in this box. Like I said, I can live without the loose shadow just because I'm not personally a fan of loose shadow, but I don't really mind it. Again, you could always press it. It's not the end of the world. I will definitely use that primer, that mascara, the highlighter palette, and the spray. So yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to stay tuned for my future videos, be sure to subscribe to my channel as well as hit that bell button so you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. And until next time, kisses from Kentucky. Bye!